The Burj Khalifa, known as the Burj Dubai prior to its inauguration in 2010, is a skyscraper in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, with a total height of 829.8 meters and a roof height of 828 meters. The Burj Khalifa has been the tallest structure and building in the world since its topping out in 2009. Beijing Daxi International Airport is designed by architects from Zaha Hadid's namesake firm, taking their inspiration from the Great Dam's design ethos. The satellite building has 6 wings originating from a central courtyard, earning itself the nickname of Starfish due to its unique design, just like Zaha Hadid's previous works. Beijing Currents International Airport is the second busiest airport in the world, with an annual passenger figure of almost 100 million. Beijing National Stadium, also known as the Bird Nest, is a 91,000 capacity stadium in Beijing. The stadium was jointly designed by architect Jack Herzog and Pierre de Meuron. The design, which originated from the study of Chinese ceramics, implemented steel beams in order to hide supports of the retractable roof, giving the stadium the appearance of a bird nest. The bird nest sometimes has some extra temporary large screen installed at the stand of the stadium. The Dubai Frame is an architectural landmark in Zibil Park, Dubai. The project was conceived by Fernando Donis and selected as the winner of a design competition by the government of Dubai. It holds the record for the largest frame in the world. Dubai Frame is an iconic structure that frames impressive view of old and new Dubai. Dubai Frame rectangular design was inspired by the Golden Ratio, which many architects believe form an ideal structural balance. The new Opera House and landmark of the city also embodies this meaning in its unique architecture. Rising out of an island in Zhuhai is a giant shell and also is a new landmark of the city, Zhuhai Grand Theatre. It is designed in the shape of 2 shells, one at 90 meters high and one at 60 meters high. They imply the scallop give birth to a pearl, while the sea gives birth to a scallop, which leads to the name Zhuhai, pearl and sea in Chinese. The Burj Al Arab is a 5-star hotel located in the city of Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Managed by Jumeirah Hotel Group, it is one of the tallest hotels in the world, although 39% of its total height is made up of non-occupable space. The shape of the structure is designed to resemble the sail of a ship. It has helipad near the roof at a height of 210 meters above ground. The Eiffel Tower is one iron lattice tower on the Champ de Mars in Paris, France. It is named after the engineer Gustave Eiffel, whose company designed and built the tower. It has become a global culture icon of France and one of the most remarkable structures in the world. The Eiffel Tower is the most visited paid monument in the world. 6.91 million people attended it in 2015. The Gherkin is a commercial skyscraper in London, the City of London. The 13th was designed by Norman Foster and Arab Group. Construction started in 2001 and was complete in December 2003 and opened in April 2004. With 41 floors and 180 meters tall, it is the second tallest building in London. The building has become a visible landmark of London, and it is one of the city's most widely visible examples of contemporary architecture. The Dancing House, or Fred and Ginger, is the nickname given to the building. It was designed by the Canadian-American architect Frank Gehry. The building was designed in 1992 and was complete 4 years later in 1996. Gehry originally named the house Fred and Ginger after the dancer Fred Astaire and Ginger Rogers. The house resembles a pair of dancers. The Sydney Opera House is a multi-venue performing arts centre at Sydney Harbour located in Sydney, New South Wales, Australia. It is one of the 20th century most famous and distinctive buildings. On 28 June 2007, the Sydney Opera House became a UNESCO World Heritage Site.